Good morning guys, in this tutorial I have explained new features of Java 11. So let's continue. The new feature is new string method in Java. New string method in Java. The string class has a lot of methods to deal with string in Java, but 11 introduced several new methods into a string class such as is blank, strip leading, strip trailing and repeat and count. Local type variables. To make it a better feature, 11 introduced where keyword for local variables type interface which allow developers to declare variable without specifying the type. New file method to provide more flexibility to file method. Java 11 introduced new method for reading and writing files using the read string and write string method, which can simplify file input-output operation. Collection to array. Java 11 introduces new methods to array int count generated in the collection interface, which allow collection to be easily converted into an array. Predicate not methods. 11 in Java 11 introduces a new methods not in the predicate interface and return a new predicate that represent a negation of the original predicate. This simplifies code that require negative predicates. HTTP client APIs. Java 11 introduced new HTTP client API that make it easy for developers to send HTTP request and handle response synchronously. Next is Nest-based access control. Java 11 introduced Nest-based access control, which allow classes that are logically part for the same code entity to access each other private method without the need for reflection. Enhance Unicode support. Java 11 includes several enhancements Unicode support such as support for Unicode 10.0.0 additional script and the ability to handle non-BMP Unicode character. Flight record. Java 11 contains Java flight record, which is a profiling and diagnostic tool for collecting and analyzing runtime information about the JVM and the JVM application running on it. Low overhead heap profiling. Java 11 introduced a new low overhead heap profiling feature that can help develop diagnosis memory related issue in their application more easily. Dynamic class file constant. Java 11 introduced a new constant pool form dynamic that allow constant to be dynamically computed at runtime. Epson garbage collector. Java 8 introduced a non-op garbage collector called Epson. This GC promises the lowest GC overhead possible. This handles memory allocation but does not have an actual memory reclamation mechanism. Once the available Java heap is executed, JVM shutdown. The main goal of Epsilon garbage collector are performance testing, VM interface testing, extremely short life jobs, memory pressure testing, last drop latency improvements, last drop throughput improvements. ZGC. Java 11 introduced a new experimental garbage collector called ZGC, which is designed to be a scalable low latency collector that can handle heap ranging from a new 100 megabytes to several terabytes in size. And a new addition is a cryptographic algorithm. Java 11 supports the cryptographic algorithm, which can provide faster and more secure encryption and decryption than some of the all older algorithms. So thanks for the given time and thanks for watching.